I am the producer of the Hype Brothers YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash look at the new Fendt Gen 6. So this armrest is much different to the 724 there. We've got loads of pages, we've got what you can assign here, we've got the lights on this button here, and let's go across. On this middle one here we've got the front links. Do you see that? Yeah, that's that. And then this is front axle suspension. Got the Bluetooth here, not playing. Got our transport, so lights, dark, display, we can put it on day, auto, night, auto. This is for the dashboard, day, night, auto. So here at the top of the screen, I don't know if you can see that, but it says my name, and then it will go change user, so you can just go on mine, and then it will say 24 sprayer admin. That's for Uncle Andrew, but I'm not going to click on that, I'm going to click on mine. Hydraulic top link, we've got them side reflectors. The armrest is completely different to the other one. God, it's windy. I've showed you most of the cab, all of this stuff, dashboard, so I thought I might as well go for a drive around the yard.
Savannah.